This lesson is going to be on the main idea. First, we must ask ourselves, what is a main idea? Well, there are two types of main idea. There's the main idea of a paragraph, and there's also the main idea of an entire passage. Today, we're going to focus mainly on the main idea of a paragraph. In both cases, they are the theme that the majority of the text is about. So how do we find the main idea? Well, the first thing we can do is read the first and sometimes the last sentence of the paragraph. Those are known as the topic sentences. Next thing we can do is to read the paragraph and then think about what was the most common thing discussed. The last thing we can do is think and answer the question, what is this passage trying to teach me? Now let's look at this example. There are over 50 types of birds in Tennessee. Most birds fly, but some do not. The turkey is a type of bird which does not fly. One bird you can find in Tennessee is the bald eagle. The bald eagle can have a wingspan of over 5 feet. Hummingbirds, on the other hand, have wings as little as 4 inches. Now let's find the main idea of this paragraph. We can start by reading the topic sentence. There are over 50 types of birds in Tennessee. And the main idea is right there, types of birds in Tennessee. We can find the same main idea by finding what's common in each sentence. As we can see, the word bird does show up quite a lot, so we do know that this paragraph is going to be about birds. But there's even more in common. Each sentence is about types of birds, either a turkey or a bald eagle or a hummingbird. It's not just about birds, it's about different types of birds. In fact, we can be even more specific and find out that these are about types of birds found in Tennessee. So we got the same main idea by finding out what's the most common part of all of these sentences to make this paragraph. A chair is a great analogy to a main idea. Just like how a chair is supported by legs, the main idea is backed up by supporting details. If I was to ask you, what is this object right here? You'd most likely say chair. You probably wouldn't say it's just a leg because the leg is only a part of the chair. You can apply this concept to finding the main idea. If I was to ask you, what is this paragraph trying to teach me? You wouldn't tell me that it's about turkeys don't fly, and you also wouldn't tell me that hummingbirds have small wings, because those are just the supporting details. Instead, you would tell me that this paragraph is about types of birds in Tennessee, because that is the main idea. Paragraphs are not the only things that have main ideas. Whole passages have main ideas too. To find the main idea of a paragraph, you first have to find the common things in all of the details. Similarly, to find the idea of an entire passage, first you must find the common thing among each paragraph. Then you put that together and you get the main idea of the whole passage.